All right, so when you finally sign into Knovio, you are going to see this as your first page. You can upload files from your computer, or you can browse recent uploads that are already existing on your Knovio. So you might have presentations that you might want to come back to and edit, and then of course then publish it as a Knovio presentation. You can see here in your uploads they've separated the categories. So there are the slides, which can be PNG files, PDF files, or PPT files, and then you have your media MP4s in this category. So I go to Manage, and right here I can see what I have published. And just a note that with the unpaid subscription, you're looking at only being able to publish 3 presentations. However, you can get around that by archiving the presentation, and then it ends up going to archives, and then you've just kind of freed up one, so you can publish and make a new Knovio again without any issues based on already surpassing your 3. I'm going to go back to Manage real quickly again, and actually I'm going to go to Archive, and I'm going to restore that Knovio file so that we can see it back in Published. There it is. And then Drafts, there isn't anything right now, but if there's something that I haven't completed, or maybe if I'm at 3, it would stay in Drafts until I archived one of the published presentations. Just to let you know, over here in Account, you can look at your stats. This just shows you your viewing, what you've viewed, what presentations you have, and then Support takes you to the Knovio webpage where you can get extra help, and then of course Manage is this page. We've already seen Uploads is everything that you've uploaded onto Knovio, and then of course your Showcases, which is a compilation of presentations into one category that you can share as well.